Nature's patchwork quilt. Vocabulary. 1. Contain. Meaning, to hold something inside. Sentence, this box can contain many toys. 2. Front. Meaning, the part that is forward or faces you. Sentence, I stand at the front of the line. 3. Interdependence. Meaning, when living things need each other to survive. Sentence, bees and flowers show interdependence because they help each other. 4. Camouflage. Meaning, colors or patterns that help animals blend in with their surroundings. Sentence, the chameleon uses camouflage to hide on a tree. 5. Adaptations. Meaning, special features that help animals or plants survive. Sentence, webbed feet are adaptations that help ducks swim. 6. Food chain. Meaning, a series of living things where each one eats the one below it. Sentence, in the food chain, plants are eaten by rabbits, which are eaten by foxes. 7. Biodiversity. Meaning, the variety of different plants and animals in a place. Sentence, the rainforest has rich biodiversity with many kinds of plants and animals.